All right, so I got a delivery in the mail, and I got these stealth mirrors. They're like the Resomer, but they're not.
Very thin.
Yeah, super thin. I'm gonna put them on the BMW S1000rr. I'll put a link in the description, and we'll install them together. Okay, so now we're out. Yeah, we're out at the bike now. Yeah, it literally just came with this. There's no instructions or anything, so we're just gonna have to figure this out. So basically what we gotta do is we gotta remove these two screws. I believe they're 10mm torque, I believe, you know, over here too. You pull them out, and then what you gotta do is you gotta get the Allen key or whatever, the star bit, whatever this fucking thing is. You gotta remove it here, 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 and here, and then you pop the cover off for the thing, and yeah, we'll do the installation really quick. There's a dog. Oh, come here, boo boo. Hey, Manu. Basically, you just gotta loosen up these little chancletas to get the mirrors off.
You need a wrench for the inside.
Yep, I'm gonna take both the mirrors off, and then I'll get back. All right, so we got everything off. We got the windshield off.
Cover.
This is the cover. This is where you're gonna plug your turn signal receptacles in, right here.
You need to pull these tabs.
Yep.
And pull.
Yep, that's how you do it. And then you just take this off. Well, first, let me put that back because it's rather dirty. Take these tabs. Oh, you know what?
You need something a little sharp to get in there.
Yeah. Thanks, Pops.
No problem.
Okay. We got scared. There probably has to go shit.
Okay. Pull
And
the
that's
little
it.
tab and comes out.
And then you just pull it through just like this. And that's it, it's done. Now look at how dirty this gets. Whoa, I better clean it. Ah, fuck it. I'll clean it. Gotta clean it. Turn signal 1, down. Same thing with round number 2. Charlie's gonna do the honor. Pull that through. Just pull it.
Pull the plastic.
Yep.
That's it.
And that's it. So if you want to do some cleaning over here, it's pretty discolored. I mean, my bike is filthy. I mean, look at all this shit. I haven't washed my bike in like close to a month. But now you just get the Resomer stealth mirrors with the turn signals, I might add. And you just gotta, this looks like, it's just, nope, it's this one. And that's how you do it. Well, first you gotta feed the wire through, so I'm gonna have my step pops assist me. Just feed the wire through that little rivet.
Very good.
Just like that. And that's how you do it. Okay. And then you plug it over here.
The little knob has to face you.
Okay.
That's it.
That's that. And just tuck it in. No splicing, no wiring. Very easy. Especially when you have 2 sets of hands and you're not trying to film. This bike is filthy. Damn. Whew. And then that's pretty much it. I'll show you how they look. We're gonna assemble them, and then we're gonna put everything back, and then I'll show you how they look at the end. Actually, I lied. I forgot about this part. So what you got to do is you have to put them in with Allen key until they stop. What size is the Allen key?
This is
3?
3.
A 3? Okay.
HW3.
All right.
A little Loctite will help out too. We don't have a Loctite.
I don't have Loctite.
We can add it in the future.
Yeah, if you want to do Loctite, I recommend the blue.
Blue. Just hand tight is fine because the nut is going to tighten it even more.
Yeah.
Give me another one.
Here. And that's what you got to do before you put them back. All right. So again, I'm gonna cut the video. All right. So we got them on. Let's test out if the turn signals work.
Left arm.
Yep.
Right arm.
Right one works. Beautiful. Dirty machine.
Hazards.
Hazards. Yep. They're up. Awesome. This like really completes the look of the bike. Look at that. That is awesome. And then you can turn them like this in case you need the mirrors. Very cool. Much more better than those ones. Those are gonna go in the garbage. But yeah, we did it. It was only 150 bucks on Amazon. Rather than spending the 500 bucks on Rizoma, you could just get the Amazon knockoffs. And you know what? The quality is really good. Like you have to like touch it in order to understand. It's actually really good quality. But yeah, that does it for this installation video. I'm gonna put a link in the description of what I ordered. And yeah, I just want to thank Cycle Fanatic Sport for doing the video the other day. I clicked the link that he left, and yeah, it really cleans up the look of the bike. Man, that looks sick. Looks sick. All right, well, you know what? Thank you for watching. Tune into the next one. I'm gonna go to Baseline Social for their Tuesday night hamburger specials. All right, be on the lookout for that one. I'll see you. Love you very much. Everybody be good, be kind to each other, and tip your bartenders. Damn, they look good. All right, I want to do a ride video and just see how I like them. I already know you can't fucking see shit out of them, but it's all right. It's all about fashion souls. It's all about the fashion souls. So can never find neutral. No luck everywhere. All right, so let's mount and let's see. Man, they really look good. Man, these really look cool. Can't see shit, but I feel like my phone's gonna fall off. God, all right. They definitely look awesome. Let's check their functionality while I'm riding. All right, yeah, you really gotta like move your head, because right now I can see. That is cool. That is cool. My only concern is that I keep doing this, it's like gonna like get loose, if that makes sense. I'm kind of worried about that. You just gotta do your head checks, you know, do your head checks. But I'm really loving the way they look, and I can't, you know, the price was awesome. 150 bucks. I think I got free shipping too. Not 100% sure. I don't remember. Awesome, awesome, awesome. some sauce. Yeah, rather than spending the money on the Resolmer stealth mirrors, you do the Amazon knockoff. Let's be real, it's a knockoff. Or maybe it's the real thing, and then Resolmer just you know, charges a pretty penny, you know, for the name. I don't know. But yeah, the turn signals are great, they work. Very, very happy with this purchase. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. They look cool as hell. As far as downforce, who cares? Honestly, who cares? But once again, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. I hope the algorithm lets you find this specific video of the installation, because there's not really a lot out there. There is plenty, but there could always be a little bit more. And you could always watch mine, all right? Again, be well. Ride safe out there. Oh, whoa, look at that. Halloweenies. I love Halloween. Man, maybe I'm gonna do a video of like riding by cool houses with cool decorations. That's a good idea. I'm just talking about my experience with Halloween. Anyway, enough of that. Good night. I love you. Thank you. And link in the description. Like, subscribe, whatever the hell you gotta do. Share the video. Bring your friends. Bye bye.